too many small parts. Time to start bagging. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Now in here, oops, one's falling out already. That will be reused. There are 3 rubbers inside here. It's 3 or 6 rubbers inside here, dampers. I've replaced them before. It's fun. Not. Okay, let's see if you can see. Inside these clutch baskets, we have roller bearings, cylindrical style roller bearings. I think there are either 21, 22, 25, I forget, maybe 25. They're 1/4 inch, 0.25, and they are easily available, and probably will be replaced, and probably will lose at least one when this comes apart. Okay. They are. Most of them are laying in the case. There we have a BSA primary setup. Isn't that beautiful? Chain looks pretty good, but it's got wear. Okay. This is what the bags are for. One roller bearing. 2, 3 roller bearings. 7, 8, 9. Oop, just dropped one. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, and the one I dropped makes 21. So, there you go. And there's 21. Okay, so there's 21 roller bearings. I mean, I can measure them, and they're probably fine. Like I said, I'm probably going to get a new clutch. Might as well. Can't forget that spacer. That'll go. Somewhat important. And this, my friends, requires a hub puller, of which I have maybe the correct one. We'll check on that and be back with you momentarily. Well, it turns out I do not have the correct hub puller for this, and I'm going to order it. I don't need to take this out right now. It can be done on the bench later. I'm trying to pull weight off, so this is easy to get out. So that's why all that came out. So this can happen later. Next time we are on camera, we will be on the timing side, and we'll start disassembling that. So we'll order that up from either Classic British Spares or one of my other suppliers, and hopefully we'll get that when we're ready to pull it apart. Okay, see you next time down Dave's Garage.